Hi friends, in this video we will see how you can charge one phone from the other phone. For this, you need just a simple 40 rupees OTG cable and a data cable that comes with your phone, both readily available. Just you have to make sure that the phone you want to charge is connected on this end and the phone you want to charge from the phone you want to charge is connected on this end. So, I want to charge this phone. For that, I need to connect it like this and connect the other end to this phone, and it worked. So you're able to see that the light is glowing, and if you see here, it is getting a green light over here that indicates that it's getting charged. Yeah. Now I will reverse the connection and show you that I will charge this phone using this phone. So see, it is now getting charged with the light glowing. I will explain why this is happening. Why do you need a OTG cable to do so? To understand why this OTG cable is required, we should know what is the pin out of this micro USB. This one. So this consists of 5 pin with 2 power pins, ground and VCC, and 2 data pin. And this is the sense pin that will decode the whole mystery. Consider a scenario where we have a cable with 2 micro USBs at both ends. So when we connect the phone at both ends, we will see that none of the phone gets charged because the phone cannot decide who is the master, who is the slave. So for that, we need to have a mechanism to inform the other one that I am the master and you are the slave. That is achieved by shorting this pin in case of this OTG cable. So now if we short this one, the phone connected on this end will be acting like a master and the device connected on this end will act as a host of resources. And that is what happened in our scenario. When we connected the phones, this phone connected on this end was getting charged as it was acting like a host, and this was acting like a source for it. So now you might have seen this case happening in case of monitors also. If you connect two laptop screens using a VGA cable, the laptops cannot decide who is a master and who is a slave and end up with blinking on the screens. So there has to be some mechanism to disclose that no, I am the master, you're the slave. That is why this OTG cable works, because it has this end shorted in this micro USB. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe and share with your friends. Hope you like it.